We've recorded this short video to show you how to get the best out of the Tenderstream system. First, sign in using your username and password. Once you have logged in, you will find yourself on the Your Tenders page. At the top of this page is the search box. You can filter by architectural sectors and types of tender, country or region, and on keywords, for instance, museum or bridge. To demonstrate, let's say that your interest is usually in specific countries rather than an entire region, and mainly in a particular set of architectural sectors. Rather than search for each sector one by one, you can now search for all of your parameters at once and then save that search so that you don't have to enter it again next time. When you log back in, it will be there waiting for you. All you need to do is click My Search. Or you might have an interest in museum tenders in Europe, regardless of sector types. You save your search, and the next time you log in, click the My Search button. A pop-up will remind you of your saved search parameters. Then click Search to see the most recent tenders using your saved search. While trial members can use the search function and view information about tenders, only fully subscribed members can get instant access to the documentation about individual tenders, easily accessed using this link. If you have any questions, please contact us at customerservices@tenderstream.com. Thank you.